Well, today we pressure washed the awnings for the Coralville Senior Center here in Madisonville. They were pretty bad. I will show you guys, well actually if you look at my Facebook feed, you'll be able to see the befores. But we are very glad to be able to help out the Senior Center here. We're gonna go to the other awning over here. Pretty good.
Watson for doing our pressure washing and cleaning on our awnings at the Coralville Center. If you need anybody to do a good job, call Carter.